Now, alright, it's the best time of the day. First of the day right here doing videos, video time. Snap-on tools. There's several videos that I did in the last couple of days on these snap-on tools. We got a lot of them in. So we'll continue right now. This is a Sawzall reciprocating saws by Snap-on. It's a good tool. Now, in one instance, I kind of hate to do what I did right here on a couple of these videos because I'm showing the charger here. Charger is not included in this, but the only reason the charger I'm showing is to show that the battery came up to a full charge. It doesn't have any kind of bad battery code coming from the charger. As you can see, it's full green. It's a CB. It's a lot of these tools have this 14.4 volt CTB8172BK. I haven't been able to see a date on any of those. I'm gonna go over this Snap-on. I think they might call it a hacksaw. I'm not sure. I think Milwaukee does that. You can see it's got a little wear, but it's really quite clean, to be perfectly honest. It's a CTRS761 reciprocating saw, and see, it looks pretty clean in there. Shows a little wear around the where the blade goes, kind of, as you saw to begin with. Inside of that looks clean. It's a nice tool right here. So let's see. Can I brush off a little bit of that dust there? But anyway, now what I want to do, I want to take this battery out. I want to get rid of that charger. I want to put the battery in the tool. This is a simple video right here. Just want to. Sounds solid. So you can go forward and looks like you can go. Oh, not forward and reverse. I'm sorry. It's a lock. You can put a lock on this, so you can lock it. That switch is just a lock. Forward and reverse, obviously. Reciprocating saw, Snap-on in action. Like I've noticed with all of these tools, there's a variable speed with the switch depending on how hard you squeeze the switch. You can make it go light. Yesterday I had one, I was just clicking it just enough to get the light to come on. I don't know if this will do that. No, it's going to move. It looks like, well, yeah, you can kind of hold it, but you can't really use it for a flashlight. This one, the other one yesterday you could, but this right here you can go slow. I'm just moving my variable speed until you get wide open and give it what you need. So that's the Snap-on reciprocating saw with the battery only, no charger included. It's listed on eBay, and I'll post the link in the bottom of this video right here. Got some more Snap-on tools, power tools coming up.